Alright, America. So I just got this new case to put on my motorcycle. Well, a cell phone holder, right? So, you know, if I need to use my GPS or see the time. So I'm about to test it out. Let's see how it works. Alright. Oh, there's a thing here to tighten it. No look. Alright, car probably looking at me like I'm stupid. Alright, now let's see. Alright. On to mom and dad. Alright, I've successfully made it to mom and dad's. Dad's coming out. I'm gonna go say hi, and I'll report back later. Alright, Dad didn't see me. I think he's walking to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna go cut him off. Alright, he's right behind me. Testing out my new phone carrier.
Oh, cool.
See?
Yeah, that's sweet.
That way I
can. Good, doesn't it?
Yeah?